revisions. Okay, so we are only dealing with the revisions. These forests have hot and humid and swampy wet throughout the year. As they are so dense that sunrise cannot reach the ground because they are very closely related. And the thing is that they do not share their leaves all together. So that's why also they remain evergreen throughout the year. Some of the important tree species found in this forest are rubber, mahogany, ebony and cinchona. Some of the species of animals found are elephant, monkey and deer. Economically, they are less important. Means they are not used for commercial business purpose. That means, now the tropical deciduous forest. These forests are the forests which are found in the areas receiving between 100 cm to 200 cm of annual rainfall. This is the most widely spread vegetation in India. So deciduous forests are found in the areas which receive the rainfall length between 100 to 200 cm. Some of the important tree species found in this type of forest are rubber, mahogany, ebony and cinchona. These are widely forests that share their leaves all together but one half of the month since they named deciduous. So these forests share their leaves all together, so they are not evergreen. In evergreen forest what happens is they do not shed all together, so they remain green. But in deciduous forest they share their leaves all together. Now, the type of trees found here are teak, sal, sisam, mahua, kusum, etc. and sandalwood. Every tree in this forest has its own time of leaf casting. According to the availability of the water, they can be divided into two subgroups: moist and dry deciduous forests. Some of the common animals found are lion, pig, deer, and elephant. Now, tropical thorn forest. Areas which receive less than 50 cm The tropical thorn forests, they are found with a rainfall less than 50 cm. Means less than 50, we can say 20 cm of rainfall. Maximum 20 to 50. The rainfall is between 20 to 50 cm rainfall only. Annual rainfall it is. And this type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of the country. So we can say the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat. Some parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana are also there. Some of the tree species found here are cacti, date palms, akai and care. Animals found here are mostly burrowing animals like rat, mice, rabbit, tiger, lion and camel. Now we move towards the mountain or the mountain forest. These forests are found in the mountainous region. So the forests which are found in mountainous region are also called as mountain forest. The temperature is lower on mountain tops than that of the plains. This is because as we go higher above the sea level, the temperature decreases. Vegetation of the tree species also varies as we move higher and higher. At the height of about 100,000 to 150 meters, the tree species are pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce, cedar. So, they are found at the height of 1000 to 1500 meters. And the varieties of trees are found. They can be pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce, cedar. And the woods that have greater, as you have seen at different heights, the trees are grown. Yes, as we have seen that Himalayan mountain is of three different levels, ranges. Yes, first is the greater Himalayas where it is completely covered with the snow. Second is the inner Himalayas and third is the Shivalik belt. Same way, here is also it is there. Okay, at the trees which are found at the altitude more than 3500 meters, alpine vegetation is found. At this altitude, we can find scrubs, junipers, pines, etc. And at the 5000 meters, which is the snow line, we can consider this line as the greater Himalayas. And the snow line above this, the subsoil is always frozen, so nothing is grown in these places. This type of vegetation is found in the northeastern part of Himalayas, stretching westwards to Kashmir and the parts of higher hills in the western Ghats. Some of the animal species found here are spotted deer, Kashmiri stag, wild sheep, snow leopard, bear and red panda. So these are the animals which are found in these areas. Students, just a second, I am taking now attendance. So I want to refer to the community of plants which have to grow naturally without the interference of man and the remains tropical forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical fern forest, montane forest, mangrove forest, tropical evergreen forest. These forests are mainly found in the regions receiving heavy rainfall. I see more than 200 centimeters like the western Ghats, Assam, Tamil Nadu and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These forests are hot, humid, swampy and wetter throughout the year because they are so that the sun rays cannot penetrate deep into it. Some of the important species found in these type of forests are the rubber, mahogany, ebony and the cancuna. Some of the species of animals found are elephant, monkey and deer. Economically, they are less important. Tropical deciduous forests. These are the forests which are found in the region. Yes, ma'am. Huh?
Yes, nothing. Ma'am, nothing is clear. From tropical deciduous forest.
Yes, where she has stopped.
Between 100 to 200 centimeters of elevation. This is most widely spread vegetation in India. Unlike evergreen forests, they shed their leaves all together for about 1.5 months, and the name deciduous are mainly found on leaf-arch slopes of western Ghats, connective plains, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and in the Shivaliks. Some of the prominent tree species found here are teak, sal, shisham, mahua, kusum, etc. and sandalwood. Every tree in these forests has its own time of leaf casting according to availability of water.